On the right, you will see a scroll bar. You can use it to move up and down, like that, up and down. At the bottom, there is also a horizontal scroll bar, as you can see. And right next to it, it is the zoom slider. If you slide it to right, you zoom in. Slide it to the left, you zoom out. Don't worry, this doesn't change your data. It just changes how close or far you are viewing it, right? And in the bottom right corner, you will also find some view buttons. You can switch to page break preview. Okay. Then there is another one, page layout, or stick to normal view, which is what most Excel users prefer. Now in the upper left corner, we have a name box, right? When you click on this on a cell, that its name or location appears here. So later on you'll learn this box and you'll learn so many things about it. About that, this is that is a quick access toolbar, and I have customized mine, as you can see. So but these toolbars actually customize mine, so your might look different, but this toolbar is super handy for things like save, redo, or undo, and more. At the top center, you will see the title bar with the name of your spreadsheet is shown. For example, mine is book 1. So, and on the far right, there is a close button. So to close Excel. Finally, one of the most important parts is the formula bar. This is where you can type in formulas or the contents of a cell.